Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for you on Banish Acne Scars. So first off, if you are not subscribing, please do subscribe and make sure to hit on the alert so anytime I upload one of my amazing videos, which to be honest I'm going to try and do more often, you can automatically get a notification to watch it. Ba-bam. Yeah, so I am looking extremely rough because lockdown, haven't been able to go to the barbers. So, you know, finally my bed is connecting, so that's, I guess, a win in the grand scheme of things. But equally, I do hope everyone is staying home, following the rules, and staying safe. Also, just want to address a comment, a few comments that I saw on my YouTube. Why am I always in like hoodies and home clothes? I'm actually at home. So, I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I'm here, so I'm gonna do it in my own comfort, which for me would be hoodies and like different pieces of, you know, clothing that I normally wear around the house. So that's first off. I just felt like I need to say that because I kept on seeing that comment over and over and over and over and over again. But yeah, look, gonna jump straight into it. Like I said, I'm here to do a review on Banish Acne Scars. So Banish Acne Scars is a California based company, and essentially the one thing that's good about them, and if this is not your first time, if you're familiar with my channel, and I've said this multiple times, is that I have sensitive skin, which means that I typically tend to go, in fact not typically, majority where if possible tend to go for products that have no parabens, and that essentially is like chemical preservatives which you can are found in a lot of cosmetic products as well as food products as well, right? So that's the first off. So I think the one great USP about Banish Acne Scars is that they are no parabens, no dyes, no silicone. They are vegan and cruelty free. So already from the sound of things, I mean, for me, it sounded like an amazing company and something to look into. So, I mean, that for the front, what is going on, mate? That from the beginning just had it sold for me, right? So and again, this is not a review where I'm going to be saying all the good things. I will also say the kind of negative things. It's going to be the good, the bad, the ugly, the could be better. So yeah, so I mean, like, let's just jump straight into it and look at, I guess, their first product. So this, I guess, is what is considered to be their signature product, and this is called the Banisher. So essentially the Banisher is microneedling. So essentially, as we know, microneedling is good for a multitude of things in terms of like collagen, increasing collagen levels, helping fine lines, wrinkles, as well as hyperpigmentation, scarring, and acne. So this is quite good. Now, the thing that I did find really interesting about this is that obviously with it being vertical, the bristles being vertical, sorry, makes it much easier to kind of poke in areas as opposed to, I'm sure you've seen the other ones which are like rollers. And the issue with rollers is that sometimes you may not be able to do it and you kind of leave all of these kind of roll marks and scars on your face. So I mean, for me, I think this is quite good. The negatives I will say is that although this is like the bristles are gold plated, and I don't know if you can see that right there, it doesn't last that long. So I think they recommend about 6 to 7 uses. Now this piece of equipment is you know, for what it does, it's quite expensive, right? So I think it would be better if there was a bit more like longevity, but personally I cannot complain. It comes with a cap and a holder. You disinfect it between every single use, and you know, after using this, I would recommend putting some type of serum on your face, because as it opens up your pores, you want to make sure you get something right in there. So that is my take on that. Next product on the list is the Banish oil. So again, the Banish oil is, as with everything, no parabens, no silicones, no artificial preservatives, coloring. So to be honest, if I think about it, I remember when I first smelled it, I was a bit like, well, this kind of smells like nothing. Again, which is a good thing. But the thing is, as we know, vitamin C is amazing for evening out skin, hyperpigmentation, hydrating your skin. So again, really good product. And just to kind of hit home, this is made with the most potent form of vitamin C, so L-ascorbic acid. And again, really good product. Again, and I think you will find this, I will say this a lot, I think for the price, how many milliliters is this? 15 milliliters. Like, to be fair, you will use it sparingly, and as I've been kind of saying on my channel, like, do not let anyone scam you. Stop paying like for these massive bottles and buying stuff over and over again. Just learn how to use stuff in moderation. But I mean, for me, I believe it's an amazing product. It's really been good for me, especially with like dealing with hyperpigmentation and making sure that, you know, my skin's getting all of that, you know, vitamin C, but it could be bigger. So that would be my one critique on this. The next product on the list is the vitamin C cream. So as I mentioned, that was an oil. So this is a cream. So this is more for people with, I guess, more acne or oil-based skin tones, and this is really good. So while I would say I have normal skin, which can, I guess, combination tend to be oily in certain areas, I don't always want to use oil-based products, right? Because I want to limit the oil production as much as possible. So this one is really good, and you know what? I always believe in showing you. Like, this is how good it is. Like, you can see how deep my fingers have been in this bad boy. This is actually an amazing product. I use it both morning and night. And again, you know, like I said, their stuff is really, really good, but I think sizing needs to be, what's this, 25 mil. 25 mil for the price, if I'm being honest. But again, the product is amazing, right? So, vitamin C cream. And again, like I said, this is for people who have oily skin, still want to use vitamin C, don't really want to use a serum and oil, which will be, I guess, heavy on their skin, right? So that's that. This is, again, on the vitamin C train. They love vitamin C, which we all love too, is a spray elixir. Now, what's really good about this one is, like, it's a really fun combination of things. So it's got your vitamin C, it's got some bilberry extracts, it also tea tree oil, and it has aloe vera to soothe the skin as well. So this is essentially, and I can actually show you how this one is, I think I have a bit left, it's like just a spray, just a normal spray, right? And what's really good for this is that it keeps your skin cool on the move. And obviously, again, if you have oily prone skin, sensitive skin, and you don't really want to keep on overlaying your face with other products, you just kind of spray this as a light spray and it kind of stays on your face. Again, it's a humectant, so it helps you draw in that moisture and hydration. Now, this is actually 30 milliliters, and I will actually say that for the price, considering their whole range, this is probably the one thing that they could have priced a bit higher. But I mean, I'm thankful because this is actually a great steal, if I'm being honest. So this is something I would definitely recommend. Also has willow bark inside it. Like, this is an all-round winner. We have got the pumpkin enzyme mask. So this is a really good one, but let me show you what it looks like, because I mean, when I first saw it, I was like, this actually looks like baby food and baby crap, if I'm being quite honest. But it's actually really good. So this is an AHA, so that's an alpha hydroxy acid, and alpha hydroxy acids are essentially water soluble ingredients extracted from sugary fruits, and they essentially clear off the dead skin cells of your face, making it look brighter, younger, more rejuvenated, right? Additionally, this also has glycolic acid, again, plant, what do they call that thing? Plant derived, and again, that is an AHA, so it does the same thing. So this is actually really, really good. I mean, I remember the first time I saw it, I did use it. I literally saw results in the first week. So this is a good one, and I'll actually say for the price, this is actually pretty weighty. So remember, as I've said in my how to apply face mask, with face masks, considering how expensive they are, you do not want to just slam everything on. You just really need a thin layer over your face. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. Some of you guys like to spend money, and look, if you're rich, you're rich. That's not my personal problem. However, for me, I like my products to last. Like, if it says that it's 6 months, I want to use it for 6 months, right? So I just do a thin layer, and that's all you need, and guaranteed within the space of a week, maybe 2, depending on your skin type, you will definitely see a change, because this had my skin bright. Really, really good. So this is the activated charcoal clay mask. Now, this is a really interesting one, because when I first opened it, and I'll show you now, hopefully it doesn't spill. And full disclaimer, everyone's first time for everything. I had never used a clay mask, an activated clay mask. So I was like, what's this powder? What did they expect me to do with it? And then I read the instructions where it says, well, you need to mix it in with water. Now, this is really good because, as you know, with charcoal clay masks, they're really good. They really help dig deep into your pores, clear out all the dirt. For me, this has actually been better than some pore strips, which I've actually used. Also, I think because of the abrasive, somewhat abrasive texture of charcoal, it really does help clear away the dead skin. So for me, this is actually a top recommend. It has some zinc inside it as well, which, as many of you know, I mean, if you follow skincare, is an amazing product. So big shout out to them. And again, I think the masks, when it comes to prices, are extremely well priced, because you are 100% getting your money's worth. Final product is the All Clear Mint Cleanser. Now, this for me, I find to be actually it's an amazing cleanser. I think it's really important to know the difference between a cleanser and a face wash. A face wash is meant to be a deep wash and kind of may, in some cases, strip away all of the natural oils on your face, whereas a cleanser is far much lighter and it seeks to hydrate your face. Now, for me, this is pretty amazing. It has vitamin B45, it has cucumber leaf extracts, it has aloe vera extracts, so making sure that your skin is being hydrated, it's not being irritated. So for me, this is a banging product, and every time I've used it, my skin has felt nice, it has felt soft, and I really do enjoy it. So guys, that concludes my review. I hope that you enjoyed it. I think as a skincare company, they are amazing. I think there's a lot of transparency. So if you go onto their website, you will see that they also allow reviewers to upload photos. They have a lot of back and forth. There's a lot of engagement. And they also have this kind of, if nothing works in 45 days, you can get a refund. So I do think they are quite unique. Obviously, the fact that if you have sensitive skin, oily skin, they cater to that, and they are very clear. So you'll see that in some places they say do not use, or they have an alternative depending on your skin type. So I think that's really amazing. I think packaging, all of that is very simple and straightforward to use. So aside from this amazing bag that you get, you have like a small little booklet. I mean, you can argue that it's maybe not the greatest looking thing, but at the end of the day, like, it's very high level. It's for someone that if you don't know what to do, you're a bit confused, you can easily look at it and know what you're doing. And for that, I mean, I appreciate, I mean, I know what I'm doing, but in the same breath, it's nice to have stuff kind of spelled out like A, B, C, D from time to time. I also think that the founder, from what I've been reading, is actually the reason why I was set up is because she had acne, and she's very transparent about that story as well. So I mean, again, I definitely do recommend, if you are interested, I have a discount code which I'll put down below in the comments. I think my only criticism, and I have said this before, is that some of the products are quite I don't want to say small for money, but I do think with the sizes, with the money that you're paying, you could get a bit more for your money, basically. But I will say that I have extremely sensitive skin, as many of you know, as I've said, and I've used every single product. I used them completely without any other product for 2 months, and I had not a single issue. I even used them in home in Nigeria, where, you know, there's a lot of heat, and usually I tend to break out and stuff like that, and they were actually 100% amazing. So for me, I would recommend them. You know, not get everything, but you may want to get 1 or 2 things, but especially I would say the vitamin C products are a must-have. But yeah, so that's it from me. Again, guys, please do make sure please do make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you've actually used Banish Acne, put it down in the comments. Let us know how it worked out for you, right? So again, have a good one, guys. Speak to you later. Yo, my skin's kind of looking sharp. Bye, guys. It won't switch off. Why is it not switching off?